Hey you guys, what's up? Hey girl, hey, it is your girl Tasha coming at you with another video. For today's video, you guys, we are finally getting into another TEMU video. But today I wanted to switch it up and do something a little bit different. So I'm going to be bringing you just a few of my favorite storage ideas from TEMU. So grab a drink, grab a snack, come on back and let's see what I have for you in today's video. Before we get into today's video, I do want to kindly thank Dossier for sponsoring today's video. If you are new to Dossier, they are a fragrance company. Well, when they initially started, they were a fragrance company that recreates impersonations of some of your favorite luxe and designer perfumes. Girl, they even do niche perfumes now. They also have their own in-house originals called Dossier Originals, or Originals by Dossier. They do candles, they do scent reads, they do all kinds of stuff. And their fragrances start at just $29. So today I'm going to be sharing with you two of my newest favorite fragrances by Dossier. So when you get your component from Dossier, let's say you order just one perfume, you want to try them out, you've never tried them before. They're going to come in a cute little manila box like so. On the back it will have the name. It will not say February, that's for me. It will have the name of the fragrance. Along inside of it, it's going to have a card. On one side is a perfume bottle. On the other side is all of the information you're going to need to know about the fragrance inside the box. So I picked up a impersonation for Armani C. My brother's wife actually wears this perfume and I think it smells amazing on her. So you know I had to try it. So this one has notes of Freesia, blackcurrant, strawberry, rose, jasmine, and peach, patchouli, vanilla, blonde woods, and musk. And it is a 15% concentrate. This is called Woody Freesia. And I don't like to spray my perfumes right away and smell them. I really like to try to let them dry down. That way I can get the full experience of what it's gonna smell like, you know, now versus when I first sprayed it. So I just wanna show you guys what the sprayer sprays like. It's very nice, very even, and not obnoxious. So if you are new to Dossier, this is what the perfume component looks like. It has the label here with the notes here and the scent name here. These are 1.7 full ounces, again starting at just $29, and the cap is magnetic. Love that. Now this smells really fruity and Freesia-y and woody and just beautiful. So if you're a girly girl, you're looking for a nice fruity woody Freesia-y scent, this is where it's at. The next fragrance that I'm going to share with you is called Gourmand Patchouli. It is an impersonation of THRU Mugler's Angel. It smells amazing. The notes of this are mandarin, berries, passion fruit, patchouli, honey, plum, caramel, vanilla, and cocoa. Now y'all know that's right up my alley. I always spray these on here. And so this is what this component looks like. Again, lovely spray. If you are looking for perfumes for your collection, you're balling on a budget, I'm telling you, these start again at just $29, and they have an amazing program where if you get this, you try it, let's say you've tried it for 2 weeks and you don't love it, box it up, send it back, you get a full refund, no questions asked, because they want you to love your fragrances. They also have another program where if you use a certain program to buy through, I'll have it linked down below for you, you'll get store credit back to purchase things, which is really, really cool because not a lot of companies have that. I've seen more and more have it now, but to see Dossier have it is super cool. So yeah, I wanted to share those two fragrances with you guys. I hope that you enjoyed it, of course. Let me know what some of your favorite Dossier fragrances are, especially if it's something I haven't tried. I do want to thank Dossier once again for sponsoring today's video. On to the video, y'all. First thing is first, when I worked with TEMU, when they first kind of came on the scene and became really big, I got this huge jewelry thing that I will insert here. And so ever since then, I've actually been wanting more of them. So I saw this cute little number and I had to have it. and it's just like velvety on the outside, plexiglass I believe, so that you can see in. It's got this little buckle here, and when you open it up, it gives you plenty of storage for rings. And then you've also got some areas here for maybe, you know, your favorite earrings, some more rings. It's whatever you want to do. These are super affordable, guys, very inexpensive, and they stack beautifully. So one of the other items that I have been living for and absolutely loving are Lazy Susans, especially in my bathroom area. Now, y'all know I love perfume. I work with a few perfume companies, and so my collection has gotten super big. So for me, it made more sense to put all of my perfume on Lazy Susans, but with a twist. I really like the Lazy Susans that have multiple tiers on them. Today, I'm gonna be showing you 3 of them that have 2 tiers. And I really didn't wanna go 3 tiers with glass bottles, so I kept it 2 tiers. So here's the 3rd one. This one is in the shade gray. I don't know if you guys can really see that because of the lighting. Now, I haven't had time to put that together yet, so I'm going to show you my other one here. This is very heavy, and I would love to give you guys a better representation, but with my studio being how it is, I barely have room. So I will show you guys an up close and personal shot of that now. All right, y'all, so here we are up close and personal. This is my Lazy Susan that houses some of my favorite fragrances. Don't mind the dust. I didn't have time to dust before the video, honey. And whatnot. So it's really nice. It looks high-end to me with the silver and just the way that it's constructed. I like the little divots in it. It kind of gives it a little bit of, you know, bling bling, but it houses quite a bit of stuff. And I know you guys don't see all of my Dossier perfumes in here. That's because they don't all fit. Same with my alt ones. But here are some of my favorites that I wear on a daily basis. What's missing is the AMBERY Saffron. I have not put my new ones in here yet. And so here on the top, we have even more space. I've got like the Billie Eilish lotion, Bath & Body Works Luminous perfume. Some of my favorites like AMBERY Saffron is in here. We've got this. We got Billie Eilish 1 and 2. I started to buy the 3rd one and it sold out. But anyway, so you guys can see how much this holds. It even holds your favorite Bath & Body Works fragrances. And I think I might grab a couple more of these for my Bath & Body Works stuff. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, very, very nice, very inexpensive. I will have it linked below. All right, y'all, so there was the 2nd one there. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I know I talk a lot, but y'all know I love to talk all things beauty too. So I also picked up another one. It's quite a bit wider around, if you will. I don't know the exact diameters, but it will be linked below as well. This one has like diamond imprints on it, and I really like that because it just looks, again, a little high-end. It's fully, they're both plastic, and to me they almost look glass. Now this one houses a lot of my daily skincare, my favorite skincare, a lot of my little trials, and so on and so forth. So here is this guy. Let me come a little bit closer to you guys. You see that diamond type material that houses on the outside? Absolutely love it. And let me insert a close-up shot for you. All right, y'all, so here is the diamond-esque one that I just showed you guys. I love this. It holds so much skincare, and I do apologize. I had to carry it in here from the bathroom, so everything's just kind of all over the place. But if you guys are curious about anything that's on here, just hit me up in the comments and I will answer that question for you. I've got everything on here from one of my favorite glosses to my favorite exfoliator, my other favorite exfoliator, my cellar water. I tried to put more so the heavier items on the bottom. I've got one of my favorite sprays, toners. This is like a little trial size. We've got some cleansing balm. We've got even the little wrist things for when you go to wash your face. So this holds a ton of product as well. Now the only difference in this one is that the Lazy Susan plate actually comes off of this one. You just pick it up and set it right on top of it, but I've had this for several months now, and I absolutely love it. So yeah. So if you are someone who has been rocking with me for the last, I don't know, 2 or 3 years, you know, one thing your girl has a lot of is clothes. Ugh. Y'all, I tell you what, I could open my own boutique, okay? Nick jokes about it all the time. So one thing I'm trying to get into is compacting my closet down to where I can fit more, but where my clothes are not, because they're all smashed together right now, and honey, it's a nightmare. So one thing I found on TEMU was these really cute hangers, and what these are pant hangers. Now guys, I'm getting ready to show you one that has 6 pairs of pants on it. That's a lot of pants in one hanger. And so what it's going to do is allow you to hang more clothes, but without them getting all wrinkly. I cannot tell you how many times now I'll go to pull something out of the closet, and because they're so jam-packed, it's wrinkled, and then I have to steam it or throw it in the dryer. That's a pain. So this set comes with, let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these, and I've got 6 pairs of pants on the one I'm about to show you. So 6 times 5, what is that? 30 pairs of pants. I'm sure you could also do skirts, whatever you want to do, ties, whatever, girl. Be creative. So here is what mine looks like. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, if you were going to do this with just leggings like I have here on the top, right here and right here, I bet you could double these. So you could probably actually fit about 12 pairs of them if you fold them right. So these are definitely a must-have in my closet. What about you? So one thing in my home that drives me crazy is not having a ton of storage. But when I moved in here, this was a bachelor pad, so I've really had to add things and kind of make it my own, if you will. And so one thing I've been adding a lot to is the backs of doors. Girl, that is wasted space. And even if you live in a home versus a tiny home, an RV, a fifth wheel, whatever, it's smart to make use of every inch of space that you can. So I picked this up. Now, this is marketed as a hook for the shower door, which I think is genius because a lot of times we don't think to hang things up there. It's really heavy duty and very well made, and I'm actually going to use this to hang my winter coat or my jackets and my purse up next to our front door. So again, very well made. I think this is genius. So another thing your girl has entirely too much of is jewelry, earrings, rings, necklaces, bracelets, galore. I'm obsessed. Just call me a girly girl, if you will. So I have been searching high and low for tons and tons of storage when I came across these really cute acrylic boxes with 72 grids each. And guys, these were under $10. Now, mine may still have some of the wrapping on it, aka styrofoam. This is the first time I'm touching this since it came several days ago, so I do apologize for that. But I picked one up in pink. It's got 3 drawers, and all of these drawers are grids. So there's 72 total in these 3 drawers. How dope is that? Like, I cannot wait to fill this up with my earrings. And I got another one in black, which I will show you guys in a second, or maybe it's gray. They're not the most high-end acrylic. Like, I have some really nice acrylic pieces that I purchased from QVC, if you will, but they work. You know what I mean? They stack beautifully as well. So if you wanted to buy them in the same colors, they fit perfectly on top of each other without moving around a lot, and I'll show you why. There's these little grooves built into the top. If you guys can see this here on the side and then all around. So they really sit on each other beautifully without moving. So if you're pulling a drawer open, the other one's not going to move. So again, I picked this one up in gray. I think there was a price difference is why I did that, and I just don't care about the color difference. So there you have your 72 grids in this little box. That's a lot of space for earrings. You know, if you're somebody that has a lot of dainty necklaces. Girl, if you wanted to debox all of your press-on nails, you could fit an entire pack of press-on nails in one of these grids. Beads, what else? if your son or daughter's into little toys that have really tiny pieces, you can organize them in one of these. Again, are they the top-notch quality that we're gonna get if we purchase from, say, the Container Store? No, but they get the job done, and as long as you take care of it, you will be a-okay. So, I wanna know what are some of your favorite products from TEMU when it comes to organization, storage, things like that. I am always looking for new ideas to organize our home, so please share all of your favorite items below. Girl, don't forget to give me a link because I'm gonna need to find it. All right, you guys, I do want to thank you for taking time out of your busy day to come hang out with me and see what I had to haul for you guys. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please share that with me by giving it a thumbs up. If you're new here, what up, girl? My name is Tosh. I hope that you will subscribe before you leave today and come back and hang out with us. To my ride or dies, hey girl, hey, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one.